guys, today I'm going to be unboxing what I got from World of Aromas. So first things first, I have some pipettes. Next I have my very fancy perfume bottle. Next I have some rose scent, some warm vanilla scent, a beaker, and last but certainly not least, Perfumer's magic. In order to make these little strips, I just took a paper tissue and then I cut it into strips to make these, if you don't have the actual paper strips. Now it's time for our actual scientific experiment. So first things first, I'm going to take my little paper strip and I'm going to put in 1 drop of rose and 2 drops of warm vanilla. Now that I've placed my scent on the thing, I'm gonna try to see if I like this one or not. This one is pretty nice, but I feel like the rose is overpowering the vanilla, so I don't think I like this one that much. I'm gonna try another one and see if I like it with 3 drops of vanilla and 2 drops of rose. This one smells nice, but I feel like it's still not what I want. I'm gonna try one more time. This time I did 4 drops of vanilla, and I think I'm only gonna do 1 drop of rose. It's very strong. Okay, now it's time to see if I finally like this one. This one is perfect. It's exactly what I'm looking for. What I've heard correctly from World of Aromas when I met Mr. Numan Sagar, the master perfumer, you're supposed to put 75% perfumer's magic and 25% fragrance. So I'm gonna do my math and I'll be right back. Since my beaker is 50 milliliters and my bottle is 50 milliliters, that's the perfect amount. But before I do something, let me show you how fancy this bottle is. The best thing about this bottle is that, guess what guys? It's refillable. And it is so easy to open and it's so easy to refill. All you have to do is go like that and it works perfectly like always. And now it's time to get started. Since my perfume bottle is 50 ml, then 25% of 50 ml is 12.5 ml. So now I'm going to put 12.5 ml of fragrance in my beaker. Now if I did my calculations correctly, I'm going to go ahead and put in about 10 milliliters of warm vanilla. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that straight in the beaker. Okay, it looks like that's perfect. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put in 2.5 milliliters of rose blossom. Okay, so that's about 2.5 milliliters. Now for the best part, Perfumer's magic. Now I'm gonna pour in Perfumer's magic all the way to 50 milliliters so I can make my perfume. Now I'm gonna pour this all in the bottle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the cap. Gonna shake that up. Just the way I like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on one of the testers that we made. That's exactly what I wanted. I love it. I'm so excited to see my first real perfume bottle.